everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we are opening up the June Bombay Cedar box, and you guys, this thing is huge. It says on here it weighs 10 pounds and it feels like it too. So it's, you know, late, it's midway through July, but better late than never, right? And you know, it's hard times now, so I'm not mad. Bombay Cedar is one of my favorite boxes, so I'm so happy it's here. It just showed up today, and I happened to get an email today saying that they have a sale going on. So I'm looking at my email now. It says 25% off all subscriptions through tonight at 11:59 PST, so that'd be like 3 a.m. Eastern time, my time. So it's like, well, I have my phone right here, I don't know why I'm looking at my watch. It's like 4:30 p.m. so I'm gonna try and film this, get it edited and up tonight. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, you can save 25% tonight on Bombay Cedar. And if you're watching this after that has expired, I do have a code. So I'll leave that down in the description box along with a link to their website. It is an affiliate code, so if you do use that, you'll save 10% and I will earn a small commission, so thank you. But if you're interested, definitely take advantage of the 25% off first. So Bombay Cedar is a lifestyle subscription, and they offer two different subscription plans, the mini and the premium. The mini, I believe, is $29.95 and the premium is $49.95. And today we will be opening the premium box, so yeah, let's get started. Again, huge box, such a pretty box as well. Oh, I almost forgot my little welcome intro. While I'm opening this, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, so if you do too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And we have a giveaway going on for about another week, so if you guys missed that giveaway video, I will link that in the card at the end of this one. Oh my gosh. This is full of stuff. I'm gonna try and show you guys a sneak peek. Right on top, it looks like there's a big book. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. So here is a card that comes with it, or not a card, it's like a little booklet. June 2020, the lifestyle box, and the theme is Protect. So Bombay Cedar now offers a beauty subscription, all cruelty-free beauty. I opened that recently. If you guys missed that video, I can link that down below as well. But let's get started. What is this book right on top? The Edgy Veg, 138 carnivore-approved vegan recipes. Oh, I'm so excited. If you guys didn't know, I am vegetarian. I was vegan for 7 years, but now I do eat like eggs and cheese, but I do eat vegan often as well. So this is awesome. This is by Candace Hutchings. So even if you eat meat, it says the recipes in here are carnivore approved. And on the back it says vegan food you actually want to eat. I am so excited. I'm just gonna flip to a random page and let's see what the recipe is. And it says it takes 2 to mango. Looks like this is like an appetizer or something. The pancake guide. Oh my god, they have so many good recipes. They have a chili recipe, tomato bisque and grilled cheese. I want that so bad. Oh my god, can I make grilled cheese tonight? I'm trying to think if I have the recipe. I am so excited. I'm starting to cook more. I think I recently told you guys that, so this is perfect. I am pumped. So let's see what this costs. I like how in this little pamphlet it talks about, or it lists all the items, and then it tells you if it's in both boxes, the mini box or in the premium box. So there are a variety of items you could have gotten for this category. I don't know if that makes sense. I obviously got this one, and the vegan cookbook comes in premium. You could have gotten Edgy Veg or vegan junk food. That sounds good too. If you get the mini box, you would get Everything Grows with Love. And in there, it's not a cookbook, but it features dozens of uplifting quotes and sayings with original graphics and hand lettering by 20 contributing artists and illustrators. That sounds awesome as well, but I'm so excited with what I got. Yay! Wow, there's a huge item in here. Let's do this next. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is by Aromi, and this is their Himalayan salt lamp. I see people with these all the time, and now I have one. And this one's different. It has like the outer casing, it looks like. Super pretty. It says Himalayan salt lamps emit energizing negative ions, purifying the air, improving mood, and providing a natural feeling light source that is beautiful for day or night. These negative ions are the same ions found in naturally rejuvenating sources like beaches, mountains, and waterfalls. Negative ions help neutralize positive ions emitted from devices such as phones and computers. I'm gonna pause and put this on in the background. I'll switch out my little lamp back there. So I was just gonna show you the finished product like in the background, but this is so cool. So there's multiple of these rocks and you fill it in here and then plug it in. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And this is definitely what was heavy, that in the book, but it's for sure. Oh my God, let me take one out and show you. I'm loving this. Here is one. Oh, I can like feel the salty texture on it. So that was a lot longer for me than you, obviously for you just like 1 second, but I had to like move my desk behind here to plug it in, but I love it. Can you guys just see? I'm looking in the viewfinder. It's so pretty and cool, I love it. Yay, oh my God, I love this box. Only 2 items in, I'm like, yeah. Oh, and great, this came in both the mini and the premium box, and you could have gotten what I did, the Himalayan salt lamp or the salt pluggable by the same company. So I'm assuming that the mini subscription would get the pluggable version. And it says it ranges from $15 to $30. Next, this is Hand Defense Hand Wash Infused Buffer. Oh, this is by Spongel. Their packaging looks a little different. It says refreshed with thyme and tea tree oil. I wonder if this is a new product for them. So it's hand wash. It says you can get 40 plus hand washes from this. Our specially engineered patented hand wash infused buffer is more effective in removing germs and dirt than soap alone. Wow, I have one for my feet, my body, and now my hands. I'm guessing you can use it elsewhere, but it's round. It smells good. It's not as fragrant as other Spongels I've tried. So this is in all of the boxes, so both mini and premium, and it has a retail value of $14. And it says here it's designed for frequent hand washing, which we all are likely doing. Interesting, have you guys tried this before? Because I know there's a lot of Spongel lovers out there, especially my FabFitFun friends. Next, the mini emergency kit, 17 essentials for beauty, fashion, and personal care. This is by Pinch Provisions. The packaging is so cute. It says what comes inside on the back. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I'm gonna list them all out to you. So, adhesive bandages, safety pin, earring backs, deodorant, towelette, nail polish remover pad, stain remover, clear elastics, tampon, emery board, hairspray, clear nail polish, breath drops, dental floss, a mending kit, pain reliever, and double-sided tape. This is amazing. And it's in a cute packaging too. I don't know, you guys. I think this is already my favorite Bombay Cedar ever. Look how cute this is. This will fit into my bag so well. It would pretty much fit into every bag. And it's adorable. It's like its own little mini bag. And look, isn't that so pretty? My nails kind of match it. Just want to see what it looks like on the inside. I don't want to take everything out. Oh, here are the mini breath drops. Let's see what else is right on top. Oh yeah, little clear nail polish. The mini hairspray. This is so genius. And it's so tiny. It seriously has everything. So this came in the premium box only. And this is a variation item, so you could have gotten this or a card case. I'm so glad I got this. I love this. Like a card case wouldn't be bad. I'll show you it here. It looks really cute. But yeah, I'm so glad with what I got. So, so the price range, depending on what you got, is between $18 to $22. And by the way, it lists the values on the bottom. I'll just tell you now since I just saw it. So the premium value ranges from $151.09 to $179.05, and the mini box value is $70.05. Oh yes, I think I've had these before and they're so good. These are PB Bites. And this is in their original recipe. So these are vegan, all natural, plant-based, gluten-free, non-GMO. Every month they always include a healthy but very good snack. So this is in all of the boxes and it's $1.10. A delicious source of plant-based protein for busy families. These flavor-filled peanut butter peanut butter snacks are made with simple, real ingredients, the perfect pick-me-up for peanut butter lovers. I love peanut butter. I love this box. Next up, oh nice, I like this company. They have really good like body and soap products. Liberty of Flowers, American Small Batch Perfumery, and this fragrance Forget Me Not. Oh, is it a perfume? And it's bottled by Margot Elena. Look at the packaging. So it's in this little box. Am I showing you? Yeah, it's the right way. I don't know why, I feel like I'm further away from the camera today, but it's the same setup, I haven't moved it. But it's super pretty. Let's get this out. Margot Elena, I asked you guys recently if you guys have tried that subscription box. You said it's really good. Wow, this entire box is so pretty. Gosh, when there's pretty packaging like this, I don't want to get rid of it. Oh my god, I'm so happy it's perfume. Like, I mean, we already got a soap product in here, but I just have an abundance of that stuff, but I love trying new perfumes, and I'm so happy the bottle is just as beautiful as the packaging. Do you guys see that design? I ask you guys questions like you can respond right now. I wish you guys could. Let's smell it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So it has like just a little spray there. Oh my gosh, it smells so fresh. Like it's not too strong at all. Gosh, I'm so bad at describing it. Does it say on the bottom? Let's see if it says in here what the description is. So this perfume by Liberty of Flowers is in the premium box only, and it's $42. These unique blends of artful essences from Margot Elena's small batch perfumery are elegantly packed in a beautifully decorated glass bottle housed inside a storybook wooden box. Yeah, the packaging is so pretty. So does Margot Elena own Liberty of Flowers? Like, are they like sister companies or something? Does anyone know? I think this smells so good. So it didn't describe the scent, but it smells really like fresh. Like it's not too heavy, if that makes sense. And I think it's perfect for this time of year especially. And it's so pretty. I'm so happy right now, you guys. This is my favorite Bombay Cedar ever, and we're not even done. Next, what is this? Like a key? A contactless safety door opener. Genius. Touch-free and hygienic, keeps you from dirty surfaces. There's a key ring loop, finger hole, door hook, flat stylus tip. Wow, so you can use this to like hit the ATM screen, elevator buttons, door handles, you can open them. We all could use this right now. Has this always been around, or was this like post-pandemic product? Because this is awesome, and it's really cute too. There's like little flamingos and palm trees. Or is that a monstera leaf? So there's a keyhole, so you can just put this on your key ring. I'm gonna do that. How convenient. So this touch-free door opener is $12. It's in the premium box only. Use these germ-free keys to open a door, flush a toilet, another good idea, hit the elevator button or turn on a light switch, and much more. Genius. And last but not least, we have our essential oils. So every month in Bombay Cedar, we get 2 essential oils made by them, and they always come in such a cute drawstring bag that seems to be different every month. How pretty is this? I always try and reuse them. I'm so excited to see what our fragrances are, or our oils, and they are great. They include some information on the oils too. My mom's blowing up my phone. Mom, I'm filming. Speaking of essential oils, and my mom, she loves essential oils. Great, so the first one is tea tree. So this essential oil is $16, commonly known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and disinfectant compounds. Tea tree essential oil is beneficial in treating insect bites, blemishes, burns, bruises, dandruff, and plenty more. So on here it'll list the benefits, any precautions, and also it lists what other oils it blends with, which I think is super useful information. And good, I was just reading through the precautions to see if there's anything I didn't know. They do mention that the oils should be kept away from pets and children, always true. If you ever have any questions about oils being around your pets or kids, I always give this disclaimer, I can't help it. Just, you know, ask your like healthcare provider or a veterinarian. I'm pretty sure I already have one downstairs, but I'm gonna open this because I want to smell it. I don't know, I just really like tea tree oil. Like, it makes me think of like cleanliness or something. And I do have some acne products, and it is good for them. So it also says don't consume this by mouth, it's only for topical use, but we're all smart and know that. Next is Sweet Orange, Mood Lifting Sweet Orange. Yes, every time I get a citrus scent, I have to make a comment that I just find citrus scents to be so uplifting. Let's take a little whiff. Yes, smells like orange. And again, information card, benefits, precautions, and what it blends well with. And citrus oils can cause phototoxicity, meaning if you apply it to your skin and you go out in direct sunlight or any sunlight, your skin may be more prone to sunburn. So you should be wearing it anyways, but definitely make sure to wear your SPF if you do put this on your body. I got my mom. Oh, she's been texting me like it was my brother. She's like, what are you doing for your anniversary? I'm like, what is my anniversary of? No, I'm single AF. But you guys, this is like the best box ever. I am so happy with it. So I love that lamp. You're gonna see that now in every video. The cookbook, the perfume, oh my God. Okay, so I think I'm looking down because everything's for me. I seriously have too many favorites this month. Sometimes I have a problem even choosing one favorite because I love everything, and that's kind of today. This little travel kit, genius. This thing, key thing, door opener, whatever you want to call it, genius and cute too. Perfume is amazing. I'm so happy to have this. I've been just using like samples of perfume because I'm out of my favorite Arizona perfume, which you guys know I love. And they're fine, you know, getting through all those little ones I have and stuff, but now I have a new perfume and I'm so happy. Everything's so good. The cookbook, just in time for me now that I cook. But yeah, you guys, I am so happy. So if you guys like this, if you subscribe now, you won't be getting this exact box, but honestly, Bombay Cedar is always so good, amazing. I do have a playlist, so I'll link that down below as well if you want to check it out before subscribing. But remember that 25% off sale ends tonight. Hopefully there's some hours left after I post this. I'm rambling too much. Gotta get to editing. And if you're watching this later on, don't worry. There's a 10% off code that I will leave down below as well. But I love you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Thank you for being here and unboxing this with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.